Hi friends, இப்போ வந்து கிளாஸ் 11th அக்கௌண்டன்சியில் யூனிட் 2ல் கன்செப்ஷுவல் ஃப்ரேம் ஆஃப் ஒர்க் ஆஃப் அக்கௌண்டிங்கில் 3 மார்க் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். தேர்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஷார்ட் ஆன்சர் கொஸ்டின். First question, what is matching concept? Why should a business consider following this concept? First point, according to the concept, revenues during an accounting period are matched with except incurred during that period to earn the revenue during that period. Second point, this concept is based on accrual concept and periodicity concept. Third point, periodicity concept fixes the time frame for measuring performance and determining for status. Fourth point, all expenses paid during the period are not considered, but only the expenses related to accounting period are considered. Second question, only monetary transactions are recorded in accounting. Explain the statement. Answer. First point, only financial transactions are to be recorded because it is due to money measurement concept, which states that only those transactions are to be recorded in the books of account which consists of cash. Second point, hence it is considered with the nominal value, not the real value. Third point, for example, Mohan purchases television for rupees 12,000, so this will record in journal entry as it is the cash transaction. உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள் மோகனுக்கு பதிலாக எந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் வேணாலும் போட்டுக்கலாம். இப்போ நம்ம அடுத்த கொஷின் போகலாம். தேர்டு கொஷின், பிஸ்னஸ் யூனிட்ஸ் லாஸ்ட் infinitely mention and following the concept on which the statement based. First point, business entity lost indefinitely. This statement is used in going concern concept. The second point, going concern concept influence accounting practice in relations to valuations of asset and liabilities, descriptions of the fixed asset, treatment of outstanding and prepaid expenses in investors. Third point, the values involved in the going concern except are. First point, growth. By following the going concern concept, business activities are to be carried to for future growth. Second point, future preparing for future. By following the going concern subscriptions, business from always intends to prepare the future. So fourth question பார்க்கலாம். Write a brief note on accounting standards. First point, accounting standards provide the framework and norms so that the financial statements different enterprises became comparable. Second point, it becomes necessary to standardize the accounting principles, the policies to ensure the consistency, comparability, accuracy and reliability of financial reporting. Third point, accounting standards in India are issued by the Institute of Chartered Accounts of India, ICAI. Definition, it is the works of college accounting standards or codes of conduct imposed by customs law professional holders bodies for the benefit of public accountants and accounting generally. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு பக்கத்தில் பெல் ஐக்கான் அழிச்சிட்டு ஆளுங்கிற ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் கழிச்சிங்கன்னா போகிற வீடியோ டான் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் வந்து சேரும். நன்றி, வணக்கம், பை. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம்.